And action.
So we have an interesting day planned today. Not every day that we get a national news station call and want to do a bit of a spot about, in this case, a chlorine shortage. So we got a call from CNBC. They're a national show and they're looking to do a small segment on the chlorine shortage that's going on now as a result of pandemic and all of that that's going on. We're on our way to a pool where we're going to be interviewed. It will air some evening news 6 o'clock hour show across the country, so it should be kind of fun. It's a new experience for me. He just keeps picking his head up.
Like,
I know. We should be doing a story on the pool, not the fact that there's this shortage of chlorine tablets.
Are you ready for your close-up?
Yes. Chris, I'm sure you can hear me through Al's mic. We're all good to go. Everything's rolling. Rock and roll.
Alan Curtis. So the business is Legendary Escapes, and the secondary, the service business, is called Ask the Pool Guy. I think people don't understand that there's such a huge demand for chlorine because with all that happened last year, the desire for pools went way up and the chlorine demand just couldn't keep up then. Then we had the problem with the plant and the hurricane, and that just quadrupled the problem. And now while it's okay right now, I think we're gonna have a struggle this summer.
In Howell, Michigan, Alan Curtis has been in the business for 34 years. This is the first time he's stockpiling chlorine.
We started buying early, way early, and stockpiled as much as we could.
We won't last more than probably mid-May or late May, and we'll be out of chlorine.
The experience was interesting. I would say that I enjoyed some of it, not so much all of it. And as it is, it was a pretty good experience.
And even after stockpiling as we have, we'll probably run out of our chlorine probably should do that one again.